I'm here at my house, and I've got a bunch of garden hose that needs to be stored. So I figured, what better way to do it than to use this rim right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the easiest way to mount it on this wall here behind me. So here's my plan. I've got a 5/16 lag bolt. I'm just going to put it right through there. So I'm going to drill a 3/8 hole right there. So I'm going to work my way up. I'm going to start with a 3/16 bolt, or 3/16 drill bit. Then on to the 3/8. So now I've got a nice hole that 5/16 lag bolt will go into. So what I noticed, I only had a 2-inch screw, so I'm going to step it up to a 3-inch screw. I can see where my studs are, right here, because they're nail holes. So I'm going to drill a pilot hole for this, and then mount the rim. So there you have it. You can use this to store your garden hose, air hose, extension cords, weed eater string, yarn, whatever you want.